Right now, this is the best opportunity for a second floor coach home, the Bay Creek floor plan, left to go in our first phase. There's only 2 available. We're in building number 15. Let's check it out. This is building 15 with 2 second floor Bay Creek coach homes, both overlooking a quiet and peaceful nature preserve. No rooftop, no traffic, no golf carts, just you and some natural green views. This is the Bay Creek layout. Tons of open space with 2,110 square feet, huge area for your kitchen and also for your bedrooms. One of the most popular floor plans that we offer. If you want all the current pricing and availability for all of the community for Calusa, feel free to reach out to me directly, 941-773-2792. Hope to talk to you soon.